What we do through the years, every day you just to keep my tears away. As long as it's okay, right here with you through the years. I don't know, but I believe just some things you meant to be. Make me say hopefully every day I love you. I never thought the dreams came true, but you showed me that you do. And I know something new. Every day I love you. 'Cause I believe that destiny has not all so true. I will never leave until you love the heart you love and soul. If I ask, would you say yes? I'm never truly blessed, and I will love truly blessed. Every day I love you. Mga ka-idol, mga ka-viewers natin dyan, narito po tayo sa center sa BTC Rocktown Center dito po sa second floor ng BTC dito po sa ah, malapit po ah, sa shop and play ng BTC katapat po ng BTC Home Appliances from storage to style. HC Home as it as though dito sa elevator. It's a very exciting for this moment this afternoon to all the viewers of this my vlog. I know that you are very happy for today. I hope you are in a good condition for this afternoon to all the viewers of my excellent vlog. You know that is today is a Saturday afternoon. What's it, July 2026. Yeah, no, that is jazz, bro. One thing that I so never already. You know that I've been looking for. This is one thing that I love you so much. All the things that I hope with you on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mga kabagers, yan po ang kids bags for all the children ay pwede po dito maglaro dito sa index back dito sa second floor ng Black Town Center BTC. Yan po, napakagandang places po para sa mga bata po na pwede maglaro dito. Mura lang po ang entrance po dito. Mura lang po sa kids. So, yan po. Sari-sari po mga pwede nyong paglaro ng mga anak. May sa panglalaki, pambabae, pwede. Yan po. Siguro po mag-enjoy po ang iyong mga anak dito. Mag-enjoy po ang iyong son and daughter to this place is to be. To this area of kids bags of the second floor BTC playground. Fully air conditioning po ito. Fully air conditioning. Hindi po kayo sulit po ang bayad nyo dito. Hindi po kayo magsisisi. Sulit po ang bayad. Kaya, ano pang hinintay nyo? Let's come on and join. Let's come on and visit this area. This is location and there in the kids box of LCC BTC Mall of the located at Google Sirangan. Katanduanes at second floor. Katanduanes BTC Mall. Nakatipid ka na? Nag-enjoy pa niyo mga anak dito sa kids bags.